So I got the dash pulled apart to start looking at the wiring for the switch and for the circuit breaker right there, straight ahead, and whatever that guy is right there, the thermostat or the heat sink or something like that. Not exactly sure what that is, but the switch, everything's hooked up with the plug and everything, and I had taken this out earlier because I didn't think that it worked and just left the plug in there. Well, I plugged everything back in, played around with it for a minute, and discovered that, guess what? It does work. At least it turns on. But part of the problem was I didn't know how it worked. I didn't realize that it was hooked up into the fan switch right here. So I guess the first thing to do is to know how a BA6 runs, because apparently I didn't. So having it on, I turned the bus on as well, and at first I crawled underneath the bus and I could feel the pump pumping, clack, 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 clack. But now it doesn't want to do it, so I've had the bus on to try and increase the amp push in case the battery was too low, so that maybe it would kick and fire on, but it's not doing it. So I'll probably pull the fan, the same thing that I restored on these last videos, and see if that does the trick, because it's not wanting to kick over right now. And while I'm in there, I'll probably pull out the spark / glow plug and clean it as well. But everything's hooked up, and I did go underneath the bus and I tested everything manually before I even did all this, to make sure that the two fans were working and that the pump was pumping on its own. So everything's leading back to the fan, and the point's not working at this point. So stay tuned. That'll be the next one.